You needed to connect the wire to the bus bar and had no idea how to do it? Watch how this genius solved it. He grabbed a rivet, tested it on the bus bar and realized it fit perfectly. That's when the brilliant idea came. He stripped the wire, inserted it inside the rivet head, set it in the vise and tightened it down. The vise crimped everything just like a professional tool. He tested the strength. Nothing came loose. Slid it onto the bus bar and done. A flawless job using a cheap material. Why spend more?